Hi guys, it's me, DC, with a special juice edition of this guy and his camera. That's right, juice. Juice. Green juice. For those of you that have never juiced before and you're watching this video saying, dude, why are you telling me about juice? I don't want to do juice. I totally understand. Maybe one day you will. I learned something. But for those of you that are, looking at your health and going, what can I do differently? This juice right here is a very simple recipe. It involves spinach, 2 green apples, a cucumber, 2 zucchinis, a kiwi, and a stalk of celery. I think I got it all. I personally have been using this juice over the last 5 days. Believe it or not, it's been 5 days since I've had any solid food at all because, well, I just decided to go through this detoxing, let my body reset type of thing. Oddly, I didn't even consider doing it when I started. Go figure. That being said, this recipe is very simple. All you need is a juicer. You don't have to have an expensive juicer. You can probably just crush it up with a hammer and squeeze it out with a towel. Do what you have to do to get your juice. Let's get it. Since I don't grow the cucumber or the zucchini or the green apples in my own garden or orchard, what my personal preference is to peel the cucumber, peel the zucchini, of course peel the little furry kiwi, and the apples because they're coated some sort of waxy glaze that makes them shiny so that people will buy them. But for me, I really don't want to juice or consume that because I really don't know what it is. I've read the warnings on the packages and the labels and all that stuff, and I just really don't want any part of those side effects. At any rate, let's do that. Okay, once you have the veggies all peeled and washed and ready to go, it's time to let the juicer do the rest. See how easy that is? That's some very green juice, which this right here is about 2 servings. Damn, that's good. Anyway, let me know how this works out for you in the comments below. I look forward to hearing from you. If you enjoyed this little juicing video, like and subscribe below, and if you need to, get that hammer ready. Nothing. If it's this...